Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. And once you open the menu, you should see the list of icons, app icons basically. Now scroll through the menu, find the icon of the application you want to uninstall, then press and hold on it to open this menu, then tap on Edit Apps, and now your screen should look like that. You should see the app icons shaking, and they should have this X button above them. Basically, if you tap on the X button above them, like this, it will bring up this menu, and you can tap on Delete App to remove the application from your watch. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to exit the editing mode. And then you can press it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.